In terms of reloading press ergonomics, the handle is one of the most important aspects, and in this video we're going to look at the Inline Fabrication ERGO Roller Handle. Gavin Gu here from UltimateReloader.com. I'm back with Travis Fox. Thank you for joining us, Travis.
Hi Gavin, thanks for having me.
We are both using a ton of inline fabrication gear, both here at the shop and for Travis, and actually even Guy Miner at home as well. One of the most frequently used inline fab products that we have is the Ultramount. The Ultramount is available in dedicated form or quick change form. We've got a quick change one over here. It enables us to basically click these presses in and click them out. You can take one home if you want to use it because you've got an Ultramount with the quick change setup. What else have you got rolling at home?
So I've got a dedicated Area 419 zero press mount at home, and then I've got two of the quick change mounts. And one thing I've got that's pretty cool, because Inline Fab makes a bunch of storage stuff too. They don't just make just the stands; they make all these really cool storage things. I've got this thing on the end of my bench that I can just put presses on there and just keep them out of the way for the quick change. It's a quick change storage place for them. It's pretty cool.
Yep. It's got the cutout kind of like this on it.
Yeah, it's got this same cutout like that on there. I've got some of their storage bins. I've got the arms that are on here.
Yep.
I'll show you guys some of that. There are arms on here for bullets and cartridges. I've got a couple of storage bins, but they make like all kinds of like really good organizational tools. I think they're pretty much like the only company that has like just this vast array of cool stuff.
Yeah, and what we wanted to show you in this video is the ergonomic roller handle. Now there's two different styles. There's the straight roller handle that's going to be just kind of the straight, bends over where the handle is, and that's a roller handle option. But the ergonomic roller handle is a little bit different because it's got that forward sweep in it. Now it's going to put you in a different position, and if your press is mounted low like this 550C is, it's going to make it so you don't have to kind of hunch over and slouch.
I think we'll be able to show that pretty easily.
Yep. So why don't we get that handle installed here on the 550C, and then we'll see how it works.
Let's do it.
Well, that didn't take too long, did it?
Not at all. Very simple install.
Yeah, and just for review, this is the same exact press and component setup that I just showed in my Barry's 55 grain FMJ 223 loading video. I've got the Double Alpha Academy mini case feed system for the 550, which makes it a bit more convenient to use. And notice this, I'm not hunched over.
Yeah, I like that.
So the first time it's going to basically get a case, ready to roll there. We're going to go ahead and do our priming. Do powder charging. Got to get into this 550 mode. It's got a little bit of a different rhythm to it. Okay. I know you have a 550. I like to lift up just a little bit on the shell plate, rock back just a touch so that the primer cup doesn't catch that guy.
Yeah, I do a little bit of precision mass loading on mine. So
yeah,
like it.
I've loaded 6 dasher on this thing, and this works really good. Okay, so why don't we change positions? I'm gonna let you load a little bit.
Let me try this out here. All right, so step up here. These roller handles are pretty cool, too. They just...
Yeah, the more volume you're doing, the more important it becomes. This is my experience. It's kind of different watching someone else reload on the channel, to be honest.
Okay, yeah, I see what you're talking about. I'm not having to drop my shoulder like I was. So I come down like this, and I'm staying upright in position. With that other handle, I was kind of doing this little kind of drop.
Yeah.
This little shrug with my shoulder. Yeah.
This looks like you're getting into the groove.
Definitely good.
Yeah. And so this will help for this afternoon's loading session.
You can come back in a couple hours. I'll have a couple thousand done. We're going to go shoot some.
Yep.
Yeah, no, this is great. I like this. This is definitely an improvement. I like the roller handle. I like how my body is not having to kind of strain and get too much torque going.
Looks like you're out of cases there. We'll load it up all up. I only had a few pieces of this brand of brass.
All right.
So yeah, this is pretty cool. I've been enjoying it on the All-American 8 Lyman press. I would drop this press down for the Ergo handle specifically.
I think Guy put one of these handles on his Lyman press,
Yeah, he
didn't
did.
he? Yeah.
Yep, and that was working good for him. So we got a lot more presses to think about for Ergo handles. Here's what we want to know from you is, are you using one of the straight handles? Are you using one of the Ergo handles? Drop a comment and tell us about it. In fact, if you're using other mounts or press add-ons or organization systems from Inline Fab, definitely tell us about that as well. We got a lot of work cut out for us here.
Always, yeah, this is good stuff.
Very much fun. Okay, that concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, make your voice heard. If you have something to say, please drop a comment. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications because you're not going to want to miss the awesome content that is coming up. And finally, flex your reloading pride. You could look great in one of these t-shirts. We've got multiple designs at the Ultimate Reloader store. I'll see you later because I'm off to go shooting.